Good evening, Shannon. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles. Thanks for reaching out on Facebook. I'm part of your local SEO professionals. Small company I started to help local businesses attract more clients by building your online presence. Because these days, almost everybody, I think the real statistics at 90% of adults searching for local services search on Google, and 70% of them click on the first page of Google. So it's pretty important to be up there. So I took a liberty of just looking at your website, looking over your website, and also I'm going to use as an example this buyer intent keyword. If someone's looking for junk removal in Harrisburg, PA, they're very likely to type this in, and that's known as a keyword. And we're going to work with these results, and I'm going to show you how you can get to dominate your competition in this area. All right, so without further ado, let me get started. I want to talk about three main things, which are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, by content, what do I mean? I mean, here, I'm going to just highlight here. Everything you see in blue is content. This is what Google reads, all the text that you have. Google really can't see pictures as such, but it sees what's behind the pictures. So for example, here what you've saved this image as soldiers hauling photo, it reads it, and it would be optimal to save it rather as a keyword, junk removal, um, Harrisburg, PA, hauling, or something like that. A keyword that someone who's looking for this service can find it. So the more of these that you have, obviously saturated well within the website, the better. When it comes to text, Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on a page, saturated, like I was saying, with keywords. So let me take a look at your competition. If someone searches for junk removal, Harrisburg, PA, in the map pack here, which I'm going to talk about soon, you find junking is the first here, and in the organic sections here, junking is also here. So let's go to their website and look at it. And you can see they have quite a bit more text than you have. Obviously, they're located nationally, but what I'm looking at is just the Harrisburg location site. And that probably factors into why they're ranking first before you. So I would increase the amount of text that you have here and saturating it with keywords to about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text. Second thing I want to talk about is citations, and that has to do with this part of a Google search. So when it comes to Google searches, if I search for this keyword here, the first thing that you see here is a Google ad. Ads are always hit or miss. If I had my ad blocker on, I've paused it for this site, but I'm sorry, here. I've paused this for this site, but if I had it on, you wouldn't see this. And a lot of people these days have ad blockers on. So they're always hit or miss. Also, they're pay-per-click. So it doesn't matter how many people you convert to your clients, you'll still pay for everyone who clicks on these ads. So this section here after the ads is known as the map pack. And the way these businesses rank here is having the most citations. Citations are anywhere online, on online directories that your name, your business name, your business phone number, and your business address are listed in any directory. For example, on Better Business Bureau or LinkedIn, Yelp, Yext, Dexnos, Superpages, Whitepages.com, Yellowpages.com, etc. Bing. If your business name, address, and phone number are listed there just as they appear on your Google My Business, the more reputable and the higher number of directories you're in, you will appear here on the local map pack. third thing I wanted to talk about is backlinks, and that has to do with this part, this organic search listings, which are below the map pack. If you think of the internet as a connection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is anywhere that your website is linked from. So any other web page that has a link directing traffic to your website, to any page on your website, that's known as a backlink. And I have a tool here called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool that analyzes websites. And I took the liberty of just putting a website here. I can tell it's a very young website because there's almost no information about it. So I don't know if you have any backlinks. This tool does take a few days to update. So even days to a week or two to update. However, it does give me a good overview of websites. Now I took your competitor's website and I put it into this tool. Remember, this is junkion.com. Remember, this is a national site, so it has tons and tons of backlinks and organic keywords that it ranks for. Now, for you to beat this local site here, I'm going to grab this site and put it into the tool. And you can see it's easier to beat for the keywords. It only has about 43 backlinks, and that's not too hard to beat. You can see the quality of the backlinks from a scale of 0 to 100. They're between 0 and 20. And so what I would do is enter your competitor's site and look at where the backlinks are coming from. Seems like a lot of them are from Yellow Pages. So I'd go onto Yellow Pages and make sure that you're also listed on those backlinks. And not only that, in order to keep you above your competition, I would suggest maybe doubling, even tripling the number of backlinks that they have. It does take a little bit of time, but eventually you can dominate them. Just one last thing, I want to talk about keywords here. You can see that the pay-per-click for one of the keywords, they get a lot of traffic, and the value, pay-per-click is $14 per click. They're paying a lot for their Google ads. I went into their organic keywords, and you can see the first one mentioned is the one I searched for on Google, junk removal, Harrisburg, PA. And about 60 people search for that every month, giving them 23 people straight to their website. And depending on their conversion rate, those are many clients. They're ranking first, so they're definitely in the first position, like we've seen over here in the organic search. So if you're able to beat them by strengthening your website and your backlinks and your citations, you'd be able to grab a substantial amount of this traffic here. Not only that, that's only one keyword. Now, if you look at different keywords, I don't know if you operate in Lancaster, but junk removal in Lancaster, 90 people search for that every month. They're ranking 46th. Well, they have almost no traffic to it. So I would come here, look at this keyword, and I'd see I can tell which websites are ranking for that. So it would be a simple thing of going to their overview and then identifying what backlinks they have and what keywords they rank for, and basically making sure you're ranking and you have better backlinks, equal or better backlinks than any of your competitors for any keyword. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. I hope this has given you a bit of information. Once again, my name is Charles. Here I am. And I work with your local SEO professionals. Here's our phone number, and my email address is charles@yourlocalseopros.com. Thank you very much. I hope this was helped you. Thank you.